I know it's been a while since I've uploaded to this channel, but I've spent the last 3 weeks making some super exciting content. I just need to get to editing it. I can't wait to share this next video, which is a portrait of a photographer called Toufic Beyhum. When I was out in Namibia, I was lucky enough to spend the afternoon with him, where we talked about his latest projects, his love for photography, and he shared some fantastic wisdom and inspiration for any budding photographers out there. Toufic, thank you for your time.
My name is Toufic Beyhum. I'm an ad man, but my true passion is photography. My style is very much reportage and street photography. That's what I really love. I've been in Namibia for 3 years now, and I've noticed how Namibians are slowly becoming more addicted to their smartphones. And I just thought, hey, wouldn't it be cool to create emoji masks that look like African masks? The 7 masks that I created took about 6 months. We used traditional materials, gels, we used beads, wood, feather. With this one, the tongue of the heart emoji is made from the top of a soft drink. This is the crying emoji. That's the first one we did. This is all beads. The wood has been burnt, and these are just oyster shells from the coast to represent the tears. So the masks for me were the most important. If the masks weren't right, then this whole project would have been a flop. I was worried because of the culture that people would find it a bit superstitious, but when I opened the suitcase and they saw there were emoji masks, their faces lit up. They all recognized it. I liked the boy lying on the seaweed. He picked the laughing out loud, and I just thought it could be interesting because it looks like he's cracking up laughing, but lying on seaweed. I like a lot of the sad faces, even though the boy who's sitting on the beach wasn't sad. That sad face always comes across as something deeper than just crying, where you think, are they happy at home, or are they suicidal? Are they being abused? You can't really tell. You could have put any masks on any of them and it would have completely changed the atmosphere. The one holding the sunflowers, I could have put a sad face on him. Then you could just read into it any way you like. I do like the hand emojis. I literally asked the designers that I work with, what is your most recent emojis? Their favorite was the flexi muscle. I know it's a photographer's favorite question. You know, what camera did you use? My choice was to shoot on the Mamiya 7 II, which is a medium format film camera. It was in a way a bit rebellious against the whole digital world. I mean, I'm shooting emojis. I'm touching on subjects, how Namibians are now becoming addicted to their social media and how sharing pictures have become so quick that I kind of wanted to do the opposite of this. I always tell this to every street photographer is don't be shy to just take a picture. Take the picture and then regret it later if someone shouts at you or tells you off. I've been late to work and meetings a few times because I didn't just drive past. I stopped and I said, I'm gonna get this shot. And then you can always apologize for being late to a meeting or to dinner or whatever.